Today I'm taking a look at the PHIXERO 1TB portable SSD. So here's the drive. So you got kind of a texture here on the top. So this is plastic. This appears to be metal. You can see that is a 1TB drive. We got a tether on the top. We got a USB-C port on the bottom. We got a little LED indicator to let us know if it's on. So here's our USB cable. We got a USB-C. And that goes to a USB-A, which is also adapted. So if you want to, you can go USB-C to USB-C or USB-C to USB-A. So I'm going to plug that in my laptop, and that is using a Thunderbolt 3 port. And that did pick that up right away. So I'm going to copy and paste about 15 gigabytes worth of pictures and video. And we are looking at right around 660 megabytes per second. And let's do a speed test. Okay, so for sequential 1x8 process 1 thread, we got 1067 on the read and 993 on the write. For the sequential 1x8 1 process 1 thread, we got 957 and 905. For the random 4K 32 process 1 thread, we got 233 and 236. And worst case scenario, random 4K 1 process 1 thread, we got 38 and 77. So overall, very nice speeds for an external drive. One thing I am noticing now, it is not getting very hot. It's getting warm, but it's definitely not getting hot, which is important. That will say a lot for the longevity of the drive. Now, even though Thunderbolt 3 is capable of 40 gigabits per second, not all ports are capable of running 20 gigabits per second. So it's mentioned to me that my laptop might be capable of 10 gigabit and 40 gigabit, but not 20. So now I have this on my desktop. I've got the same drive right here, and we're going to do a speed test using a USB 4 port. Okay, and we can now see that we are getting much closer to that 2000 megabyte per second write. So all that means is that the port that you use does in fact matter. But with these speeds, that is an even better drive than what I was thinking. So overall, I'm very happy with that.